time to be in crypto. Meme coins are popping off as we speak, as Roaring Kitty, the cult leader of the GameStop saga back in 2021, returns, and we are seeing this market start to turn degen mode. Is now the time to lock in? Are we going to see the best opportunities for wealth creation since 2021? Remember, in early 2021, so many people came to stocks like GME, AMC, and then meme coins from there, including Dogecoin. Is now the second episode, the second installment of the meme coin craze. Well, guess what's kicking this all off? Because we're seeing altcoins here, particular ones, not generic altcoins, not the good ones. We're seeing meme coins moving at pace today. You're seeing Dogecoin up, Shiba up over 6%, Pepe up over 10%, with Floki, Bonk, all of these things are set to move powerfully. Why? Because of one single tweet. Let me show you guys. This is the tweet. This is the tweet by Roaring Kitty. Those in the know will know. Back in 2021, when I was making videos, this was the legend that single-handedly did all of the analysis and set up the GME GameStop squeeze. He has not tweeted in over 3 years since then, guys. Remember, he had the whole hearing at Congress, etc. And he posts this. What does this mean? This means he's sitting up, he's paying attention, he's waking up, he's locking in, and everybody on Twitter, on Reddit, is now understanding exactly what he means. This is the time to lock back in to the opportunities. And which opportunities does he look for? He doesn't necessarily look for opportunities in terms of strong fundamental plays, long-term holds. No, he looks for opportunities, one, with meme coins, but two, aggressively finding stocks which are over-shorted, right? That's what we saw. That's what we saw with GME. That's what we saw with AMC, where the percentage shorted to float was too high. So he's locking in and paying attention. And now we're seeing the market move. Take a look here at GME. This was a GME stock today, up over 100%. Huge gap up in pre-market. And this ran up as high, guys. This went as high as $38. Insane move on GME. You can also take a look at AMC as well. It's sister company as well, moving here up over 30% as well. And if you think it stopped there, you'd be mistaken. There are meme coins being spun up literally today, after the tweet. Developers who are being opportunistic are now setting up altcoins with all kinds of meme things relating to GME, relating to GameStop, and getting those listed as well, and relating to Roaring Kitty as well. So if you take a look at the crypto bubbles, meme coins are moving. Pepe, Floki, Shiba, Bonk, Doge, some of the big ones we know with as well. But even if you jump out of the top 100 into the next 100, you're seeing Trump move, you're seeing Popcat here behind my head. Let me just pull that up here. You got this one here. Let me drag that into the screen. You got Popcat. Even if I drop down into the next 100 in the top 300, you got Mog. Hold up. Do you want to learn how to trade? Then you need to jump into our Telegram community. Link is in the description. In our Telegram community, I share my altcoins. I share how I do my trade setups, how I do my stop losses and take profit, so you could learn to become a profitable trader. Check it out. Link is in the description. And then check this out. In the top 600, you got the GME token itself up over 1,700% today. Insanity in meme coin season, of course. Meme coin season comes with its own risk. You guys know, I've never been against memes. Like, sometimes you get a lot of these people who are fundamental investors and traders, like I am, who kind of sit there and say, oh, don't touch meme coins, don't touch meme coins. I think the reality is, if you want to trade meme coins in a smart way, and you want to do so with a certain part of your portfolio, I've actually never been against it. But if you think that's all crypto is and all investing is, and that's the only way to do it, then that's where you get wrecked. If you're doing it as part of a portfolio, you're going to be fine. If you allocate a small slice of your portfolio and say, I'm going meme coin season with this, there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, meme coins as a narrative has become an important narrative for crypto and now the stock market as well, right? It's always going to be the social element. In fact, I don't even think we should call it memes. We should call it the social element. It's the social narrative. There's lots of value in being able to get people's attention, especially in today's world, and to be able to monetize that. And that's what we're seeing from meme coins. It's somebody's ability to capture the imagination of people and get them to buy into an idea like Dogecoin or Floki or GME or whatever. It is exactly that, okay? So we're seeing this market heat up nicely in terms of the meme coins. Now, if we jump into Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin's at a critical level, right? On this daily candle, it's trying to break through this resistance. You can see here moving as high today as 63.2, now sitting at 62.7. But we need to see a breakout. We need to see this candle close above the resistance, and then we need another confirmation candle in the next day to open up, and that's going to signify a nice move to the upside. Of course, don't be surprised to see us retest and then go upwards. But again, the price target of such a move really starts to work us up towards that 90,000 target. The question we have now is this consolidation done with, or does Bitcoin still need more time? Does it need more time to make its mind up? Does it want to visit the bottom and maybe consolidate for a bit more before then eventually going for its move? I think most of the market, including myself, of course, not financial advice, are sitting in still feeling positive, despite sometimes the boring movement in the Bitcoin price. Fear and greed was at 57, which is still technically greed. This market expects this price action to go up, and people want to be in on this market. When they're bored, guess what they do? They go and play around with meme coins, which is exactly what we see here. Okay, so, embrace the meme season. You can see things like Pepe doing really, really well today, up 11%. Beautiful trade. I spoke about this trade back here when it broke trend. And had you have taken that trade, you're up super nice, right? Taking the trade on the breakout, super nice, up to where you're looking at 40% spot return on Pepe. Again, price target would take you to the top of the wedge, which is actually 55% spot return. So a beautiful move there on Pepe. You're seeing things like Bonk moving up 5% as well. Floki 10%. I'm actively trading some of these meme coins in our Telegram community. So if you want to see which meme coins and altcoins I'm trading, you can do so. ijazcrypto.com/TG. It's the very first link in the description. So we are seeing some nice movement here. Let's also take a look at Myro, up 7.5%. Again, another coin with good potential in the meme set space. Slurf up 4.7%. Meme coin itself is called meme coin. It's up 2.5%. So we're seeing this excitement all linked to AMC. But what's more interesting, again, just to kind of bring this a full circle, I think this is a really important image. I think this image really does define where we're at in this market, right? Which is that you could have been asleep for the last couple of years, but now is the time to lock in. Right? If you were smart, the last 3 years, you were learning, you were building your skills, you were getting yourself ready for this moment. You missed 2021. Most people, a lot of people watching the content now around crypto, missed 2021, right? They came in late into the market. They were buying in at peaks. And so they had the whole bear market to now study crypto, to learn. And if you stayed in the market, then great. If you left the market, there was no guarantee you ever came back, right? Maybe you fell out of loving crypto. Maybe you're not watching these videos anymore about crypto. If you're in the market, now is a great opportunity for you to lock in. Now is not the time to get distracted. Now is not the time to go, oh no, look at this. It's a bad CPI reading on Wednesday and now I'm going to panic and get out of the market. Or even worse, oh, I was in crypto for the last couple of years, but now I give up. I'm throwing the towel. Just now when you're expecting, the excitement of a bull market, you're going to step away. This is exactly what you should be doing. If you was chilling like this, just take that little half seat forward, right? Lock in, engage, and now take it seriously, because you're getting these opportunities which we haven't seen since 2021. If you're sitting there and you're not able to profit, if you're struggling, you need to look and say, why? If there are Bitcoins moving up 3% today, you're seeing altcoins popping off, like I just said, select ones, but you need to be able to read the narrative. It's silly for you to be sitting there and saying, I'm sat in on serious altcoins right now when meme coins are moving. Or you're sat in on meme coins when it's no longer the time for meme coins, it's time for Bitcoin to move. Or you're sat in on Bitcoin when it's not the time to be in Bitcoin, you're supposed to be in things like Phantom or Solana or good layer one solutions, right? And this is the whole point. This is why I don't try to time narratives. We spoke about it yesterday as well. I allocate all of these narratives at all times. I have my Bitcoin, I have my Ethereum, I have my meme coins, I'll have my layer ones, I'll have my layer twos, because I don't know when the narrative is going to change. Now, of course, it'd be remiss of me not to mention the fact that when you do have a meme coin season, it's important to understand that when you get to peak meme coin season, oftentimes it could result in a crash, because what happens is you get a lot of greed in the market, you get a lot of leverage in the market, and we know market makers love to liquidate people. So enjoy the meme coin season. I don't know how long this is going to last for, this kind of excitement around GME, AMC, etc. But don't be fooled when the music stops. Be ready for those crashes. Normally, your meme season often ends in a little bit of a local correction / little bit of a crash before then getting ready for our next leg up. Now, the other final question I did want to cover off, which I'm hearing wondering a lot amongst some of the community is, why are altcoins not moving? Why are we not getting them to move on altcoins? We need to understand, altcoins are a product of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the fathership, has to decide on the direction, right? When it did this, when it decided on its direction from 38,000 all the way up to 74, creating an all-time high, perfect. It set the direction and altcoins know what to do. They've got its pacemaker ahead of it and it knows that they can go on a run. But ever since, Bitcoin's been consolidating. Nothing wrong with it, but Bitcoin's been consolidating. Altcoins get confused. Altcoins get confused and have no directionality at this point because it doesn't know if Bitcoin wants to go meh and poop the bed or if it's ready for its next leg up towards 90. So generally, you see these things go into holding patterns, give up some gains, kind of just being a boring period whilst Bitcoin decides. Once Bitcoin decides, you see a period of Bitcoin dominance, because of course you'd want to be in Bitcoin on its move up towards 90 to 100. You wouldn't want to go, why am I not in on Bitcoin? And then you see that rotation across all. So it's very important that you understand the cycle and the nature of the cycle and how money rotates between these narratives. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the likes. Please don't forget to subscribe. Check out our Telegram community, ijazcrypto.com/TG. I will be posting updates throughout the day and sharing my next big altcoin trades, which include some meme coins as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.